Illegal street races involving special cars, high-end cars with these modifications and daredevils behind the wheel.
What's going on, YouTube family? Johnny DK, also known as Hellcats 707. Today we're going to a car meet, Park and Chill. I'm gonna show you guys a few cars, and we probably going to a takeover with some action. You feel me? So, let me give y'all a little update on a mod I did on my car. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Installed by me. Y'all get at me if y'all want this done in your car. Yes, sir. Hellcat symbol. Star lights on the inside. Whoa, 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 whoa. But like I said, if we go into a car meet, so if you new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment, share, browse, do all that. You already know. But I'm here with the Speed Mob family. Yes, sir. Y'all see that wide body thing right there? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Telling you, dog, he gotta be sleeping in the car. Oh, they gonna wake up now.
We got a car over there just stopped in the middle of the road. Y'all see it. Ooh-wee. That's my boy Bodyguard. Hey, you released the power? You opened that shit up already?
Nah, not yet. I only have 15 miles on it when I got it.
Oh, this bit brand new. Oh my god. Bodyguard done dropped the brand new wide body.
The only way to go is 0 miles on the lot. I ain't buying shit.
Y'all see it? Red seat belts, you feel me? With the leather interior. Got the red dash. Ooh, it comes with carbon fiber dash. I just peeped that right now.
That's the only way to ride. Come out that lot, 0.
Y'all see my boy Scat Daddy 392 Scat Daddy. Got the Green Goblin and Scat. Hey Eric, how's that peer pressure, bro? I know.
Hey,
I know you waited, bro. You
be
finna
honest
get
with you,
one.
ain't no peer pressure. Ask him where I was today.
Oh, yeah.
Where was you
I
at?
was right behind him at the dealership. I'm just looking. They ain't got my color. So when they got my color, I'm gonna be stepping on your toes. Because what I'm getting is 797 horsepower.
Woo! He's saying he got that wide body red eye. Y'all wait on it. Yes, sir. Well, I'll get back to y'all when we get to the car meet, man. We lit out here. And I'll get back to y'all when we get to the car meet, goddammit. Alright, y'all. Y'all see what's going on. That's the president of Speed Mob himself. Y'all already know. We matching tour red Hellcat. We at the car meet. Yup. That Speed Mob lined up all the way down there.
DJ right here, dog. Come here, boy.
Speak up. Such a mom. Speak up. You okay? You want to eat? No, you looking?
Speed Mob takeover, you heard. Yeah, so we just... Oh, let me show y'all the rest of these cars. One second. Show y'all the rest of these cars. That boy about to run into me, goddamn.
Oh, shit.
Hey, what's your Instagram, bro?
300 Blaze, you know what I'm saying?
What's your Instagram, bro?
It's Drew V300S.
What's your Instagram, bro?
I don't fuck with
Unc don't got an Instagram.
Y'all might get me a new one, but I don't know.
You gotta mind.
You gotta get one, huh?
Back over here, man. Hey, man. You know what it is. Y'all boys stay tuned, man. January 2nd, we got something big coming
Oh yeah,
for y'all.
we got
Y'all stay tuned
something
for
real
that, man.
big.
Stay tuned.
January 2nd, car wrap review. It's gonna be my car wrap review. Y'all see it. Alright, y'all, so oh, we got a Supra over here, goddamn. I ain't even see it. It looks stock though. Little stock Supra.
Oh man.
Hey Prez. Hey Prez. What you did with that black key, my boy? You threw that shit away. You threw that shit away.
I threw that shit away. Hey.
Hey, y'all see what's going on?
Hello.
Hey, bodyguard.
Yo.
Hey, what you did with that black key, boy?
I need a 7 in the trash.
Put it in the trash, goddammit. We staying with the red key. Hey, my boy Marcus. Hey, what y'all did with the black key, bro?
Hey, we threw that motherfucker away.
We threw that motherfucker away. We only rocking red key. Yeah. Threw that shit away. We threw that shit away.
Hey, we threw that shit out on the fucking turnpike.
Cool, come out.
Hey.
You doing it YouTube?
Yeah, I'm doing YouTube.
Listen.
Go ahead,
It's
promote
Queen
yourself.
P, you know.
Yep.
Well, we have 400 subs on YouTube. Y'all follow me, you know.
Y'all do that.
Big V6, bitch. I don't care what y'all say, because you broke us can't take a minute.
Time for the V8 man to step in. Y'all already know, man.
First of
345
all,
Raven
I
in the
got my
building.
car brand new off the fucking lot. You broke us can never do that, bitch.
Hey, it's the Magnum wagon, and they putting the Hellcat motor in.
Huh?
Ask where his black key at.
In the trash, baby.
In the trash, baby. Hey man, we lit, bruh. Hey, we threw them black keys away, not even gonna flaw to you. Y'all see what we got going on, Widebody Daytona. Yes, sir. Got them wide bodies out. Ooh, y'all see that. What'd you say, bro?
That wide body shit right there.
That wide body shit. Hey, I had mine before yours. My life, no life, bitch. No be, bitch.
Alright, y'all, so I'm heading home. Let me give you a quick pull with my new leg maker, you feel me? Alright, that boy wanna cut me off. Okay. Alright, y'all boys, so I'm on my way home. Let me turn on the lights right quick. Alright, so I'm on my way home. We gonna wrap it up for this video. It's just a little park and chill, a little vibe that we got with the Speed Mob family. You already know how it is with them. There's all Mopars out there. Yeah, I know y'all see the light shining back there. Oh man. Hey, if you still watching right now, do me that favor, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, show love, comment, do all that, show a friend, and tell a friend to show a friend, goddammit. So you already know, stay tuned for the next video. My car, I'm doing my car wrap review January 2nd. Y'all stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be lit. All the Speed Mob family gonna be there, and we gonna see how that turns out. But I got something on my sleeve for y'all, let me tell you that much. But y'all stay tuned for the video. I'm out.